Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your strength. Deuteronomy 6:5. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let's get into my birthday get ready with me. I'm doing hair, makeup, and outfit. The hair that I'll be wearing is from Unice. In the box, it came with an info card with instructions on how to take care of the wig, a nude wig cap, and a headband. I got a T-part lace closure wig in Ombre Auburn. It is 16 inches and 150% density. Unice gifted me this wig, but the review is of my own. Since it is a T-part, there is not much lace and you can't change the part. There are 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. One thing I love about this wig is that I didn't have to bleach the knots or pluck the hairs. This wig hardly needs any customization. The color of this wig is really good but brassy. I decided to wash the hair in purple shampoo and I followed up with my regular conditioner. The hair is really soft and I love the thickness of the hair. There is hardly any shedding. I'm using my bedhead wave iron and Got2be Freeze Spray to hold the waves in place. I have a tutorial on how I install my wigs on my channel. Check out the info card up above. I'm doing a really quick eyeshadow look using 2 colors and some gorgeous glitter from LaRue Cosmetics. All the products that I use will be listed down below. And this is my quarantine edition birthday makeup look and outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.